Installation of TTL300 lifting on sliding door system. Specification of door and weight. Door width, door height, max weight of sliding sash. Processing of hole sizes for profile. Installation of door system. Install the lock block in the profile before frame assembling. Install the end cap and positioning block in the profile before sash assembling. The extra roller should be added in the middle of sash if width more than 2000 millimeters. The holes of supporting block and transmitter should be well aligned. Display of door opening and closing. Dropping of sliding sash. Lifting of sliding sash. The door sash cannot be slided once dropping to the ground profile. Kinlong, for better living.